Well, we are dealing with some chances to pick up some scattered showers and thunderstorms, and then we turn our attention to the heat. So there's kind of two folds right now going on to the forecast. So we'll get to all of it. Heat will be kicking in, especially coming up tomorrow. You've already started to feel a lot of that humidity kind of creeping up today. It's starting to feel sticky, and don't worry, it's going to get a whole lot stickier before this week is said and done. Therefore, I say have ways to keep cool. Go ahead and prepare now. Maybe hit the pool a couple of days this week. Also plan for maybe some time indoors in the AC, maybe some activities indoors for the kids and the pets as well. Severe risk for today has been upgraded partially to a slight risk. That's going to just barely clip our far northern counties, Harrison County, Scott, Franklin County kind of clipping in there as well. And then up closer toward Cincinnati, over toward Louisville, and then kind of down clipping into western Kentucky. The rest of us, Lexington, Somerset, eastern Kentucky, included in that marginal risk for severe weather. So you can see exactly why the SPC has placed us under at least northern Kentucky under that slight risk for severe weather. That's because the cold front transitioning over to the warm front, so that kind of stationary boundary, is dipping down closer into northern Kentucky. And as that happens, it's carrying some convection with it. We've already had some heat, we've had some sun, we've had the high dew points today. So all of the ingredients are there. So we just have that kickstart, which is the cold front. And so, of course, a couple of those scattered showers, maybe even some heavy rain, could be falling in northern Kentucky. As it begins to move to the south and southeast, it will weaken some, but we'll continue to see scattered showers off and on overnight all the way through tomorrow morning, when those kind of land in central and maybe even southeastern Kentucky at about 6 to maybe 8 a.m. Warm front then slides over. That helps to dry us out for a little bit, but really starts to get that heat going. We have a strong flow from the south. We're not going to see a whole lot of wind. We're just going to see a big increase in dew points, moisture, and of course the heat. Also another chance to pick up a few scattered showers, maybe a storm or two through tomorrow afternoon. That will be the last of it. After that, Tuesday and Wednesday look very dry, but very, very hot and very humid as well. We'll be fighting off some clouds on Tuesday, and hopefully we'll begin to see a little bit more sunshine moving back in on Wednesday, although the clouds will be our friend this week. We're probably not going to be wanting a whole lot of sunshine due to the fact that it is going to be so hot and so humid. Future rainfall totals hit and miss across the area. Again, northern Kentucky, eastern Kentucky have the better bet of picking up some of those scattered showers, anywhere from maybe a few hundredths of an inch all the way up to maybe close to half an inch of rain. Hit and miss. Some of those showers could be heavy. We could also be dealing with some stronger wind gusts again, and maybe even the possibility of hail tonight and tomorrow, with the potential for strong storms. Heat advisories, many states included in that, including western Kentucky, western Tennessee, and then extends all the way over to the Midwest. You have your excessive heat warnings. That's in the pinkish purple color from Oklahoma City down through Dallas, a good portion of central Texas, and then on over toward the Arizona area as well. So for western Kentucky, we do have, again, heat advisory in place until about 9 p.m. tomorrow. That includes Louisville down 65 over toward Bowling Green, Owensboro, and all the way over into western Kentucky, but does not include our viewing area. What I want to let you know, though, is we have high temperatures, which will be soaring into the mid 90s. Heat index values, though, as high as maybe 103, 105 coming up this week. So you do want to be aware of that. Know the signs of heat exhaustion. We had a good package that aired a little bit earlier. Mike was talking about drinking lots of water to stay hydrated. Never leave your kids or pets in a car. Reduce strenuous activities. Take breaks in the AC. All those good things. For tonight, lows down around 70 degrees. Couple of scattered showers and storms. For the day tomorrow, our high temperatures will be around 89 degrees, potentially closer to 90, but heat index values 95 to 99 degrees. And then, of course, through the rest of the 8-day forecast, very, very hot, very humid. Couple of scattered showers return Thursday and Friday, and then we'll dry out and cool down a little bit into next weekend.